Here's another really easy experiment that you can try at home. Today I'm going to be making some instant snow. And I have a 1 cup measuring cup here, and I'm going to be measuring out 3 cups of baking soda. So I'll just put this into a tub. You can double this recipe or cut it in half as you see fit according to whatever size container you have to put it in. And the next thing I'm going to measure out is about 3/4 of a cup of conditioner. This is hair conditioner. And the way this works is that hair conditioner is actually slightly acidic. That's actually how it smooths your hair down. The acidic properties sort of tame the hydrogen bonds that make your hair frizzy. And baking soda is a base. And so what happens when you mix these together is they will neutralize each other. And because the conditioner has some other properties in it, it doesn't fizz the way that like vinegar and baking soda do, but it is an endothermic reaction, so it gets very cold. So it feels just like regular snow, but you can do it inside. And so it's a really fun experiment that you can do at home. I've done this with my kids for years. They used to do this, especially when they were really small. We would do this in their little sensory bins. But it acts like snow. You can form it into balls. You can make little snowmen. You can put it into molds. Put your favorite toys in there, and it's just a great way to enjoy winter from the comfort of your kitchen. And it's a lot of fun, and there's some cool science behind it. So I hope that you get to try this at home, and if you do, let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for other really fun winter-themed experiments, I have a winter-themed activity bundle linked in the description box below. But hopefully you get to try this instant snow sometime soon, and thank you for watching. Until next time, keep discovering.